excited today. Why? Because we're in Safari World Thailand.
Yes, we are going on a real safari where animals roam freely, just like in a jungle.
Look around, we can see so many animals. It's super cool.
We are inside the safari zone right now, and the animals are so close. Wow, look at these giraffes. They are so gigantic.
And yet so polite. Did you know giraffes are the tallest animals in the world? Their tongue can be super long, almost as long as my hand. Such sweet animals. Feeding them feels so nice. Oh, look at the miniature horses. They are super cute.
Briha, they are not miniature horses. They are called Shetland ponies.
Whatever they are called, they are amazingly cute. Feeding them is the best experience ever.
Look at the way they are showing their skills on the ball, just like Ronaldo. Perfection.
Fun fact, elephants are super intelligent and love playing games. Football is their favorite. Looks like you didn't have a bath, so the elephant had to give you a splash of water. Holding the tiger cub is so amazing. Also drank milk from my hand.
Guys, I'm holding like a real tiger cub. Like a real tiger cub. Am I scared or is he scared? Oh, I think I'm getting an orangutan kiss.
Oh, he's hugging a third when lying on his lap. This is so cute.
I think he thinks I'm a princess. Why is he kissing my hand?
Hey, need. Chup, 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 chup. Chup, 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 chup. Down way.
He's lying on my lap. Is he going to really hug me?
Hi, yep. Bye. Need. Nah, you stand. Check hand.
He even kissed me. And now he's kissing my hand.
Now comes the second part of the safari.
Watching these beautiful animals in their natural space, wow.
Look at the tigers relaxing like kings.
Wow, there are camels. Oh, the hippo. Really easiest animal ever. tigers love water. Look at them soaking their selves, so relaxed and happy.
Watching the tigers inside the water makes me feel like going for a swim too. They look so calm and powerful at the same time.
This is such a beautiful sight. Nature at its best.
And wait, finally we spot the black bear. What a perfect way to end our safari. Thank you for coming around with us from animals to adventures. This is Atharv and Vriha signing off.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.